Hello everyone. Hi guys. Hello to you all. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you all according to your time. Depends where you are watching me from. I salute you all. I greet you all. Thank you all for always tuning in, watching my videos, subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate you all. So guys, today's video, I'm very sad. Yes, I am very sad for wetin just happened today. We lost our sister wey we dey call Ada Jesus. My people, as una see me so, I'm not really happy. I say make I come out, make I come do this video because I'm not really happy. I'm very sad. You know, when you lost a sister that is dear to your heart, it's just like that. As you can see, I'm putting on black and black to mourn our sister. Yes. So my people, this is very heartbroken to see say Ada wey we think say she was improving, say na so we come see am. This is very it's very bad, my people. It's very bad. I know say the thing don't eat am. They no quick talk comments, and the people they no carry and go hospital quick. That is the problem. That is what I think. But she was improving. She was responding to medication. But to come see say she can't just go right now. It's really sad. As I talk to now here, my people, my heart is very heavy. My heart is very heavy, my people. If somebody, okay, just see when they do the birthday, I have the video here, my country people. I have the video when I upload them for my Facebook page. Now there I upload them put when they eat, when he was enjoying himself. As soon as we see him, he was eating here, my people. He was eating here, enjoying himself, my people. Who see this video, you go see say this girl, there is still life in her. Wetin come just cut her life short now? That is my question. Because they no put hand follow on time. Thank God she go beg those people where she don't offend. I know she dey our Heavenly Father hand right now, wherever she is. She is in our Heavenly Father hand, jubilating, enjoying herself. All the sickness, all the pain, all the cry, all the nightmare, all of them don't disappear. My people, why am I saying all this thing? If somebody offends you, try to forgive. Leave vengeance for God. Let God judge. Let God fight for you. Do not fight for yourself. As I'm here, I'm not myself. I will not lie to you. I'm not myself. I'm very down to hear this story. When I enter Facebook this morning, I say, nah joke. What did they do, all these people? All these apoko people, they not see something to talk now to carry bad news. Una know say the fact they do like that, person will never die, they go right RIP. I come on there because I just wake up. Later, my friend call me, tell me, say, Mama Didi, you never hear this thing. This girl where you talk about, she don't give her RIP. I say, my sister, I see her more. I say, I see her too, but I never know whether that's truth. My sister, it's all over social media. It's all over social media. My people, this life, it not get part 2. Now only part 1, 90. And if you they do something for this life, they do it in a way God go put you for mind. God go dey help you. In any way the enemy dey fight you, God will be fighting your battle. Anything that you are doing, don't have hatred, don't have evil against anybody. And you will see that enemy will plan, but they will never succeed. Why it be say, if maybe say somebody do na something, una know dey feel say, okay, let me, as far as say the person don't even come beg you. You don't even have that mind, say, okay, let me just let it go. And you will still be excusing inside yourself. And let me send this warning to Rita Edochie. Rita Edochie, how you feel today now? Are you happy when you hear the news? Were you jubilating? You feel it today? Did you drink water? How did you feel when you hear say this girl don't go? Rita Edochie. If somebody calls you, say your pikin is sick, but today they say they celebrate your son for Instagram. Rita Edochie. Somebody call you today, say your pikin, God forbid, how will you feel? Are you gonna be happy? Are you gonna be jubilating, dancing? No. You will not be dancing. You will not be jubilating. Because you know why? You don't feel that motherhood. You know how the pain be. You know, say not be something where they go just do 1 minute, go just come out. No. It's a gradual process for baby to come out. I know you feel so sad for yourself right now. I know, say you go dey feel, say, wow, why did I say that thing from my mouth? Say, I no go forgive her. I know you will be regretting it today now when this girl don't pass her, because you thought, say, this girl, he no go get off for where it dey. It dey everywhere. It's on social media. It's on hair. You said it with your mouth. And what do you want people to say to you today? And which kind of high you want make people to look you today? Rita Edochie. Person wey don born, you know they plan. You know they plan make they beat another person picking. You know they plan make they beat another person picking. Person wey don born. Odumeji, how you feeling, sir? Oga, sir, the lion himself. The Odumeji himself, the lion himself. How are you feeling today when you hear the news that Ada is no more? How do you feel? Are you jubilating? Are you happy? Are you playing music? Are you drinking? I don't think so, darling. I don't think so. Me, wey sit down here, I'm very, very angry at you people. You people that will call yourself, that will call on yourself a man of God, a woman of God, a carrier of God, all of una go give una title. But when it go come to you to use that title, you not go fit use am. Just look at Ojujuma. Ojujuma forgive when they go there. And some of una they thought say, now so a bad things go meet Ojujuma. But Ada Jesus did not do that. Now so if they come church, he not bring something. My darling, are you looking for what Ada is going to give to you? Or you are looking for the healing that she will get? Odumeje, you say you dey heal people. You raise the dead. Why you not go? Please, can you go and raise Ada? Because you know why? All the finger is going to be on you. If you know what is good for you, Odumeje, go and raise Ada Jesus for us. Because with the social media, we love Ada Jesus. We love her and we were waiting for her to come back and tell us everything. But una shut the mouth up. Una zip her mouth up. As I'm here, I'm mourning her. I dey feel so bad. I never see get myself since morning. I see they ask myself, am I dreaming? The way this girl take touch me, the way her matter take touch me, I'm not sure say all that thing don't touch me like that. Make we try to dey behave well. Make we try to control this our mouths. Because this word where they come out from our mouth is very, very heavy. Make we try to control our mouths. No be everything where this our eyes see, now our mouth go dey talk. Make we try to control so that this our mouth e no go put us to problem. Rita Edochie, your mouth has put you in problem because no power. You guys are taking the glory now. Say now na kill her, be now put her for the situation where she did. Now she's no more. That means una need to finish what you na do. So my people, I'm not really happy today. I'm very, very sad to hear this story. So guys, I don't want this video to be too long. I will see you guys on my next video. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload any video, you will be the first to notify. I love you all. May the good Lord continue to bless you all. Much love and much kisses to you all. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.